I just got back from 3 films at the yard sent to depots attending Samsung first launch events for 2022. As you may know, Samsung has just announced their new Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G, and I was there to check them out. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to FastView episode 43. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Here's the first look of the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G. It comes in 4 colors: olive, lavender, white, and graphite. It uses matte finish plastics on the back right up to the rear camera bump, sporting a 6.4-inch AMOLED 2X LTPO, 120Hz flat display with an optical in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo dual speakers, and IP68 rated for water and dust resistant. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G uses its own chipset, the Samsung Exynos 2100, just like its others, Galaxy's S21 series for the Malaysia market. Paired with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. Unfortunately, there's no micro SD card slot on this device. Equipped with a triple rear camera setups, a 12MP f1.8 main cameras with optical image stabilizations, a 12MP f2.2 ultra wide, and an 8MP 3x optical zoom. The front hole punch houses a 32MP cameras for selfie and video call. During my test, the camera performed really well. It's as good as other Samsung flagship devices. It's a pretty light device at 175 grams and it's packed with a 4500 mAh battery. Support 25W wired and 15W wireless fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G is available now with a starting price of Rm2899. Personally, I find the price of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G is on the high side, especially we are expecting the new Samsung Galaxy S22 series to be announced around the corner. That's all from me on the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G. If you have any questions or comment about this device, we leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.